Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Max. Today we are going to learn progression. Progression is actually a sequence of numbers. And arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers where we get the next term by adding or subtracting the term before. For example, this is an arithmetic progression. This is the first term, second term, third term, and the fourth term. We get the second term by adding 1.5 to the first term. And to get the third term, we add 1.5 to the second term to get the third term. And for the fourth term, again, we add 1.5 to the third term to get the fourth term. Now, this 1.5 is called common difference. This one is another example of arithmetic progression. Again, this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on. Now, how do we get the second term? We subtract 3 from the first term. How do we get the third term? Again, we subtract 3 from the second term. How do we get the fourth term? We subtract 3 from the third term. And again, this negative 3 is called common difference. And we use D to represent common difference. Let's look at this arithmetic progression. The first term is 5. We use T1 to denote the first term. The second term is 7. We use T2 to denote second term. And the third term is 9, fourth term 11, fifth term is 13. Now note that the second term is also 5 plus 2. And the third term is also 5 plus 2 times 2. And the fourth term is also 5 plus 2 times 3. Now 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. And the fifth term is also 5 plus 2 times 4. Now there is an interesting thing here. Look at this number. This 4 is always 1 less than 5. This 3 is 1 less than 4. 2 is 1 less than 3. So the number here is always 1 less than the number here. So if you want to find the 10th term, let's say T10, then it's going to be 5 plus 2 times 9. 1 less than 10. And if you want to find out the nth term, that is Tn, it's going to be 5 plus 2 times n minus 1. Because the number here is always 1 less than the number here. So here is n, here is going to be n minus 1. Right, 5 here. 5 is the first term. We are going to use A to represent the first term instead of T1. 2. 2 is actually, you see, it is not changed. 2 actually is the common difference. 5 to 7 is 2. 7 to 9 is 2. 9 to 11 is 2. So we just learned that we are going to use D to denote common difference. So plus D times n minus 1. Then we will get Tn. So to get the nth term is going to be a, the first term, plus d, which is the common difference, times n minus 1. Or we can more commonly rearrange it to become Tn equal a plus n minus 1 d. That's the equation that we are going to use for arithmetic progression. Okay, let's do a few questions with this formula. For the arithmetic progression below, find the 45th term. Right, we are told that this is an arithmetic progression. So we write out the formula for arithmetic progression. Tn here is T45. We want to find the 45th term. A is the first term, and the first term is negative 11. N is 45. We want to find the value for 45th term. And D is the common difference. The common difference here is 7. And we have T45 equal negative 11 plus 45 minus 1 times 7. And the answer is 297. In an arithmetic progression, the 37th term is 105, and the common difference is 4. Find the first term of this arithmetic progression. Again, we write out the formula for arithmetic progression. We want to find the first term, and the first term is a in this equation. We are given that 37th term is 105. So when n is 37, T37 is 105. And then the common difference is 4. D is the common difference. So we plug in this number. Now, what we need to do is to solve the equation to find A, which is the first term. So we have 105 equal A plus 144, and A equal 105 minus 144, and we get A equal negative 39. The first term of this progression is negative 39.